Look at this, 2007 Saturn Sky Redline Convertible. And everything they say to look for in purchasing a pre-owned vehicle, this one's going to check the boxes on. First of all, adult owned and driven, check. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, check. Great maintenance history on this one, check. Miles, a little over 2,000 miles on it, and the condition, it shows. Of course, the 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood that put out 260 horse and 260 pound-feet of torque to move this size car. Wow, nicely equipped, has the $850 option of the automatic transmission added, power steering, power brakes, AC, and just look at this. Front fascia, that sunburst yellow paint, extremely nice shape. Now check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. FYI, riding on the original rubber, chrome wheels. Just look up and down this car, don't see nicks, dings, scratches. Interior, I mean, again, with that kind of miles on it, it's what you would expect. There's that optional automatic. Don't want to deal with shifting. Everybody in the family can drive it. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Black cloth top, also like new. We'll put that up here at the end of the video. I want to let you take a look at that, but you can see it in the still pictures. I have the top up, top down. Undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to ask your sales consultant for a copy of the Carfax. You can see the maintenance history on that. When I say it was mature, owned and driven, there's a story behind this car. Feel free to call in, ask your sales consultant about it. This car will not disappoint. If you're interested, I would call quick because I don't think this one's going to last long. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the floor mats. Don't even show any wear. As far as the seat, same way. This one pretty much speaks for itself. Let me start it up. I'll show you the exact miles. I'll show you the engine bay. Close the door here so you can see the miles. There's miles, 2,230. Yes, that is accurate. AC blows cold. And FYI, that's because of the camera. It's doing that on the radio. Radio doesn't do that here in person. Dash. Wow. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. This car has not been modified. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay and then we'll take a peek at the top too. Take a look underneath the hood here. Hood liner, absolutely spotless. And again, kind of the same as the engine bay. It's what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. Driven every summer and then serviced also for taking it out. So let me slip around to the other side. This one won't disappoint, folks. And there you go, of course, 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder paired up with that optional automatic transmission, and of course nicely equipped. All right, one last pause here. I'm going to put that top up. Let's check out the condition of that and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, manual top, but easy for one person to put it up in less than a minute. And the top's going to be what you'd expect with this low mile car. Well taken care of. Glass rear window, rear defogger. Fits nice and tight. No rips, tears, or holes. Again, just what you'd expect in a 2007 Saturn Sky. Low miles, one owner. What a beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You find that right now.